Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. Today we are stay home and work from home. Now I'm preparing my pottery. Some piece is broken. Yeah, I have about 4 or 5 pieces broken when we move a house. Yeah, but just try to repair it. Do what I can. Just put the glue on. I know it's barely repairing, but we love to see it's beautiful. It's very sad to see it's broken like that. Just try to put all together and be happy to see them. Not perfect, but good to see them not broken a piece. Yeah, we have a couple pieces to work on today. This one is we call rose wheels, jardinier, blue rose wheel. Okay, thank you very much for your watching. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe and like for support our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.